All right, quick update. Meteorologist Dean Davison here for the Weather Pros and also for Responding Fire. As you can see here, I took this into perspective. Look at this little cell. This was rotating. I had seen my own two eyes a funnel cloud here as this came through. Look up here. Multiple trees now on Sharps Mountain. Tornado is possible. There was a possible tornado also. Tornado warning has just been issued. Hold on 1 minute while we talk from there.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Giles County in southwestern Virginia, Monroe County in southeastern West Virginia, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
We'll get to that in 1 minute.
At 1:14 p.m. Eastern
Giles County.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over interior, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
There's our tornado warning.
Tornado.
Right there.
Radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be
There's our tornado warning here currently going off. But I'll move over back where I was at. Watch this current cell north. Watch the cell north now of 460 that passed between Montvale and Blue Ridge. This was rotating and still rotating in this. This could possibly have dropped a tornado. I will back up a little bit. Like backing up and going through this. We're going to watch it here. This was one cell. Multiple trees down at the intersection. A shed was destroyed at 460. And the intersection of 460 and Thaxton School Road. Shed destroyed. Multiple trees down. And then we're going to keep going north with this cell. We're going to watch the cell that I was talking about here. That was, look at this one. Good view. Funnel cloud reported. So this is probably all coming. This is all coming with these cells that were popping. Okay, we're getting massive amounts of reports now going on. As this move north, let me just bashed out. I don't know why I did that, but okay. Those cells were rotating also, and you see this is rotating pretty good too, as moving to the north and east near Montvale, and now we had another rotation signature going on with the storm that just passed through the Montvale area. So if there's any, we don't have any damage yet, but that's going on there. So what's going on next? We have more. Here is play, the big play, like I like saying. Here's the big line coming. This will be in here in a few hours. This now has a tornado warning on it. I don't know why my warnings aren't picking up, but we have a tornado warning right near Harrisburg. It's moving northeast also, so we have to be keeping an eye on this also. This will likely go into West Virginia and then possibly back into Virginia. But all these cells are going to start rotating, so please be careful. I'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davison. While we are at it, this is where the potential tornado may have started in Thaxton. It would move across Phoenix Mill, Patterson Mill, Kelso Mill, and then towards the peaks. This is some damage areas are right in that area. So that whole area has a potential that a tornado came through this area. My brother actually lives on Phoenix Mill, but further up to the left. He got lucky. No damage from him reported. I have just talked to him. But anyway, be very aware for the next couple hours. Tornado watch includes to 5 o'clock. Tornado warnings now in Harrisburg area and in Giles County. And we need to keep an idea out for that. And multiple warnings will likely be issued and continue. Meteorologist Dean Davison.